Welcome to this introduction on human resources, often abbreviated as HR in this video. We will explore what human resources actually means, its scope within an organization, and the critical role it plays in business success. So, how do we define human resources? Simply put, it is the department responsible for managing an organization's people. HR focuses on finding the right talent, managing them effectively, and helping them grow, all while ensuring the company achieves its goals. HR is involved in every step of an employee's journey, which we call the employee lifecycle. This starts with attracting and recruiting new staff, moving on to onboarding them, developing their skills, retaining them through good practices, and finally managing their exit or separation from the company. One of the most visible functions of HR is recruitment and selection. This involves sourcing candidates through various channels, screening resumes, conducting interviews to assess fit, and finally managing the hiring process to bring new talent on board. Once employees are hired, they need to grow. HR manages training and development. This includes onboarding new hires, offering upskilling opportunities like workshops, and planning career paths so employees can advance within the organization. To keep talent, companies must reward them. HR handles compensation and benefits. This is not just about paying salaries, but also managing health insurance, retirement plans, and other perks like flexible working hours to ensure fair and competitive rewards. A healthy workplace is essential. The employee relations function focuses on building a positive environment. HR mediates conflicts, measures employee satisfaction, and fosters a culture where everyone feels respected and engaged. HR also plays a protective role. Through compliance and safety, HR ensures the company follows labor laws and safety regulations. This includes creating company policies and protecting sensitive employee data to minimize legal risks. Modern HR is more than just administration. It is a strategic business partner. HR aligns the workforce with business goals, manages organizational change, and builds a performance culture that drives the company forward. In summary, human resources is vital because it manages the entire employee lifecycle, ensures legal compliance, balances employee needs with business goals, and builds the culture that defines the organization. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.